The BeSafe journey began in rough Scandinavian conditions with a simple promise: to protect children on every journey. What started as a family vision in 1963 has grown into a trusted name in child safety, built on knowledge, passion, innovation, and care. We've never stopped innovating, from launching the first rear-facing car seat in 1989 to being the first to pass the world's toughest crash test, the Swedish Plus test. BeSafe has always set the standard, leading by example with innovations that matter. BeSafe Stretch, the strongest extended rear-facing seat on the market. BeSafe Beyond, making extended rear-facing the new standard. Universal level technology, ensuring optimal safety in any car. And BeSafe Go Beyond, giving newborns the safest start with active lay flat. We are proud of what we've achieved, but we're never done. Our team listens, learns, prototypes, and tests again and again. Because safety isn't a standard, it's a responsibility. We go beyond expectations, because that's what it means to be safe.